Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Oracle VM VirtualBox needs Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package being installed first. Open any browser. Type Visual C++ Redistributable in browser search bar. Click latest supported Visual C++ distributable downloads. First find system type, in my case system type is 64-bit. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.